Hey, good morning. Woody here, and Saturday morning out at beautiful view for today. There's some people out enjoying their boats behind us on the waterways. But we're just finishing up an install only on a metal roof here. And unfortunately, we didn't tear it off. We didn't spec this out. We're just helping the homeowner get through an install that the other people bailed on. So the last guys that went ahead and dried this roof in and tore it off, they put on some knockoff underlayment. I don't know how much it costs to roll or whatever else, but in the long run, you can see if you come over here, I'll show you a little bit about it. Here, Victor, you want to come over here? Focus right here. So this stuff right here is the blue. All this blue that's on this brand new black roof, that's powdery and slippery, that has to be pressure washed off, is from an underlayment. So sometimes if you cut some corners, in the long run, it's going to cost more because you've got to fix that corner that you cut. So besides the panels being slippery from this powdery surface where the underlayment failed, after a couple weeks being exposed, I guess, now we have to pressure wash the roof. It made the panels slippery for the install. And now we got some blue powder all over a brand new driveway and on the back of a TPO flat roof. So look at some of the materials that the contractors are quoting. Make sure they're getting proper apple to apples and that you like the underlayments in this, because $10 a roll on a house like this is $150 difference between a cheap underlayment that's going to powder and quality underlayments. So like us, find us, follow us here at GMR Roofs and Construction, and next week we'll be on another beautiful view framing out some buildings on Sarasota. So thank you and have a blessed day.